Hi, this is the Huawei MatePad 11.5 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So to do that, we should open first the control panel and you should find here scan QR codes icon. If you don't see this icon here, just click to this edit one, tap to edit swatches, hold for a while scan icon and drag it to your panel, tap to done. Now just open scan icon and now we should just place our QR code here inside of the screen. Just wait a second, be sure that you're connected to the internet, and we could see that our device automatically just opened this icon, so this QR code. So that's it, that's how to scan QR codes with our device help. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.